Hello guys, and welcome back to another tiny tutorial. And in this episode I want to talk a little bit about how to create some color palettes for your creatures. And I got this idea because I looked at so many illustrators, designers, concept artists who are drawing some characters, creatures, and whatever, and they always have like these little painting dots on the corner of a painting, so they can just pick up the colors here and use them on their models, right? And I thought it would be a really cool idea if we would have this in our Zbrush 3D universe as well, right? So I will just show you a little tip which you can use if you want to paint more than just two colors on your creatures or on your models in general. So we know that we only have here the main color and the secondary color when you go in here on the color section, and we can switch between them with the V button, right? So when you're let's see, I'm using the standard here, just color. So when you just have the main color, then you're painting black, and then you push the V button, then you switch it over to the white one, and that's a pretty handy thing to make it fast to switch between the colors. Then you also can move over a color and then press the C button, and you can see you get the color where you're at. When you're here on the top of the nose, press C and you have this color, or going over the eye and you have this color, right? So these are just hotkeys. But when you don't have any colors on your model in the first place, then you have to create some, right? So when you're going to the subtool section here and you're just pressing the append or insert button, and then you can choose the plane 3D. And what you're getting here is this plane. Just make it a little bit more straight. And if you want to look at this on two sides, then go to, where is it? To the display properties, and then click the double-sided button here so you can look it on both sides. So now just push this plane on the side, and then what you have to do now is just use the white color and fill the object with it. You can do that also here on color, and then you can fill the object here. Just push this button. So now it has the white color, what we really need. And now we have to divide this plane a little bit because it is just not high enough to paint on it. So just divide it a few times. And now when we're just painting on it, we can just paint some colors. And this is our little corner for the color. So when you say, okay, I want this creature maybe in this color, and then you're choosing a darker color, and then maybe I want to combine it with blue, and then with purple, or maybe I just want to go more with a red dragon, and then going more into greenish yellow, make it more lighter, and use these colors on the creature. And you can paint as much colors as you want to here, so you have some variations. So now when you want to paint on your creature, you can easily just paint here, and then you can just go over here to the plane, click the C button, and you choose the colors from there. And it is so easy to do that because you can choose colors pretty fast in this way. And before that we only had like these two colors, and we always have to go back and, you know, like searching for a color. But we can do it faster and speed the workflow a little bit up when we just paint all the colors in the first place here on this little plane. And if you don't need that anymore, then you can just hide it, and there you go. So I really like this one because I don't need to go back and search for the right colors again and again. So yeah, something you can keep in mind if you want to paint your creatures in ZBrush. Just put every color you want here, and then you can easily color pick it here and just go over and over. And yeah, that's just it. I hope this helps and it's a little bit useful. I really like this technique, so yeah, I hope it's useful for you as well, and we see us in the next video.